Good morning, my people. This one is about saving our Jamaica country. I telling you from a long time, about 3 years, 2 years ago, me I telling you, my people, say Chinese I got take over Jamaica. You understand? Because Andrew Holness, Portia Simpson, the whole of them where they did their sell out from them start sell out the airport, the backside company, and now them I go to the cockpit mountain. My Jamaica people, I'm telling you this. You see how the Rasta man there, he's very intelligent. The man they know them what them a talk about. You understand? Come on him disgrace Andrew Holness. Him put Andrew Holness in him place. Him a try put sense in him head. Jamaica people, you know say on a country is a land of wood and water. First, we can go past South St. Elizabeth. South St. Elizabeth is a breadbasket parish. Right? That's where I'm from. I live in the South St. Elizabeth here, right? And let me tell you something now. Everybody up there know that they have water line run in South St. Elizabeth from long way back. You understand? They have water in there. And when I was living there, like water only come in the line like sometime on Thursday or Friday, late in the night. Water run. Sometimes the pipe them burst out of the road, they say the amount of water waste on the road and thing. Tell me now, my people. Just for 2 days, water coming online. And most here I come, I like in the housing scheme or so come we run on the main road and thing like that. Here you see water with. But mostly the housing scheme. Right? And yet still people have them water running at them yard, them get a water rate like a water bill a month time also, yeah? And a 2 time or 3 time for the month the water will turn on in our pipe. Yeah. I mean all them can do better. Alligator Pan is right there. Alpart is right there. Alpart find its own water for supply itself. Alpart find its own current for supply itself over the years Alpart built from before we born. You understand? And the idiot them have Tapil, St. Elizabeth, the whole of them the area there, where them to supply with water as a bread basket country. You know why me feel say them not do it? Because them feel say the farmers them will stole the water. You understand? But all them have to do give everybody them meter. Everybody have them meter and everybody take them water in them yard and them pay for them use. You understand? A tank people using them area there. And then can do better with the water system. Alligator Pan, me know say when you're there Alligator Pan, the hillside, from Bullsav coming down there, so there's a river, fresh water run. Anybody know Alligator Pan know down a old wharf, down a coast, down a old wharf where you have a spring there so we run out of the rock with fresh water. And when the river we walk go down there so go be able to push bamboo down there and the water come up and we can drink the water out of the rock that I come from and that I run from ever since from before we born that can't stop run and it go into the sea. Jamaica people not supposed to short of water. And as the man I say, yo, the man right, water is more expensive than gas. And you see right now to how me see it, the Chinese people them are gonna start sell water because them find out say yo, Jamaica have much produce. You understand? Produce. And let me tell you something. You see the dirt where you see them a dig from Alpa, they are carry about them caustic soda and them aluminum and alumina. Let me tell you something, me feel say all gold in them dirt there. Me feel say gold there Jamaica in the dirt of all part. For I know China now come. You know so much acres of land the idiot boy them sell Chinese them man. Hmm? And what the Chinese them a do for Jamaican? A couple of them they keep back on the plant they know used to run it from way back when we understand it. Yo, as soon as them understand to run Alpha plant, them a fire every black man, you know. You know what will go happen? Every black man, black people you know, come together and stop killing one another. Stop killing a brother and sister. We don't have an argument, you know, can talk it out. You know, fight against the dirty Chinese. Them Jamaica is a small island. Jamaica is just a small island. And when me I tell you say if they sell airport, they sell cockpit mountain, they sell um Alpart, them are gonna sell Jamalco soon. Them if they don't sell, I think Jamalco they sell already, you know. Look how much it things them sell out over the years. Huh? My people, me not in a politics thing now, but remember me I tell you, Labour right government a stupidness for remember say when them did win way back I think somewhere in the I not remember when but me my father tell me So when them did win, them did lock down, and all the people where listen this now can talk say, the wish in a which country now you are gonna win as a prime minister and lock down the fire station? What a sensible move, hmm? Fire station, them close down all fire station in the Caribbean. My people. So tell me now, how people like them there? Andrew Holness is a man who come from St. Elizabeth. You understand? Him should have do better and make sure that St. Elizabeth people have water in them pipeline right through the day, right through the night. Unless something happen where you know say water gone or water cut off for a while, them go work for a certain man. You understand? Remember me telling the people no stand up and fight for the right and no stop kill off on one another. You understand? And remember me telling you see what day me I watch one video on Facebook and I saw like a dirty security guard boy like him I lick one man and I grab the woman and say, stop come here, come thief China man thing. You see him? China man I climb on him. Hmm? Enough man down there to take gun from China man and I take money and I kill black people for China man. Me people China I go take over Jamaica and the whole China I go yo alright, no watch it. Anyhow, you know hold up on the head and stand up on the foot, block the road and demonstrate and make the boy Andrew Holness say, yo, go in can't sell cockpit man and stand up and fight for the right. Remember me I tell you to run with the Chinese there from there. Anyhow you not stop. Anyhow you not try to stop it from now. It'll get out of hand with either Jamaican people are going to start kill the Chinese them or Chinese are going to start kill the Jamaican them. When you look at a ship are coming with sword and sit now pay Chinese are come chop up on the down there with sword. Remember me tell you now. You see down at Kaiser down there so them are going to open the wharf. Them are going to open the wharf and a big ship are going to come they come drain water from Jamaica carry a country when I have water. You understand? And with them are going to get oil for run the plant. You understand? We idiot Andrew Holness should have take up that in a sense and pray that from way back when. You understand? See, they want like a man, a Rasta with them downgrade from way back when they used to trim them. All the Rasta them when the Labour right government them. We remember saying they used to trim all Rasta, lock up them just for them here. You understand? So now see you know is a Rasta man sound so intelligent more than Andrew and Portia. And them man left here run the country, but guess what? Probably through them locks are probably them say yo them a leave them thing. You understand? Big up yourself, Rast. Anyway you're there whatsoever your name. Enough respect. Paper. I'm out.